Hi everyone! Today we're answering a critical question. What is phishing? Phishing is a cyber attack that tricks people into giving up personal information, like passwords or credit card numbers, by pretending to be someone they trust. It's one of the oldest and most common scams in the digital world. It often starts with an email that looks legit, maybe from your bank or a popular service. But click the link and you could land on a fake site designed to steal your data. There are different flavors of phishing. Spear phishing targets specific individuals using personal info. Whaling goes after execs and big decision makers. Smishing uses text messages. Vishing, voice calls. And now there's Quishing, phishing through QR codes. Spotting phishing isn't always easy, but there are signs. Weird sender addresses, strange language, urgent messages, or suspicious links and attachments. Trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. The damage can be serious. We're talking financial loss, identity theft, corporate data breaches, and sometimes even ransomware attacks. But here's the good news. You can protect yourself. Use strong passwords, enable multi-factor authentication, stay up to date on software, and learn how to recognize scams. And most importantly, never click on links or download files from unknown sources. If you do suspect a phishing attempt, don't panic. Don't engage, report it. Then delete the message and change any affected passwords. Phishing is sneaky, but you're smarter. Stay alert, stay secure. Thanks for watching, and stay cyber safe out there.